stuff. Carson, you having fun? Hey Bob, what do you got? Huh? What is that? Huh? A big truck? Where's Megan at, Carl? Cheryl, keep your eye on Carson. Keep your eye on Carson right there. Hey Bob, are you having fun?
Yeah.
What you making?
I'm making
What? Look at that and tell me what you're making. There's Mommy and Paigey. Hey, Paigey.
Jamie Carson at the museum in Grand Rapids.
Hey, Jamie. Jamie. There's little Carson. Yeah, having a good time. Carson. Hey, Megan. Hello. No pictures, please.
Alright, we're gonna go check out over here real quick.
Okay.
We're gonna go look over here.
Here we are at the Grand Rapids Children's Museum. Carson's playing in the bubbles. Two little teeth coming in on the bottom. Yeah, he's playing too.
Person, don't splash.
Person's gonna be a mess. He's been in a construction zone getting dirty, and now he's playing in the bubbles.
Get that show?
Leave. Mommy, leave. Mom, the rim of the bubble maker is going down into the bubble.
Here's little Jamie. What else he's been doing all day is building stuff. Hey James! Hey James! What you doing? Megan and Aunt Holly at the craft table, making some crafts. Aunt Holly's due in a couple weeks. Hi, Meg. Hi. What are you making? Uncle Carl just made a big scene here, screaming in the tubes, the pipes. Everyone on the second floor could hear him. Didn't catch that on tape, unfortunately. Go ahead. And here's the culprit right here. It's the Nippa family.